Welcome friends, welcome to the geometrical entities selection methodologies. Earlier we discussed about window selection method. Now we would be discussing about window crossing method. Coming to window crossing method, so here those entities are selected that are enclosed as well as crossed by the rectangle. That means those entities which are outside the rectangle are not selected, but those entities which are crossed by the rectangle as well as enclosed by the rectangle are selected. Second point, entities outside selection rectangle are not selected. So anything which is outside the rectangle are not selected. Selection rectangle is drawn from top right corner to bottom left corner. So it is always drawn from top right corner to bottom left corner. Lines in selection rectangle are dashed in nature. Earlier we saw that in case of window selection method, lines were in solid nature. So whereas in this case, lines are dashed in nature. Area within a rectangle is in green color. So earlier I had written point P1 and P2. Now I have interchanged, since I am going to select the rectangle from this point to this point. So we have point P1 and point P2. Circle C1, C2, C3, C4. Lines L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5. So I am going to start the rectangle from this point P1 and then P2. I will just click the left mouse button and then drag it until point P2. So here circle C1, C2, C3 are enclosed within the rectangle. The rectangle you can see here, it is made of dashed lines, and then inside area is green color. This indicates that the methodology is window crossing method. Line L1 is also enclosed, line L5 is also enclosed. Line L2, line L4 are crossed. Circle C4 is also crossed. You can see here those entities which are enclosed, they are C1, C2, C3, they are selected. Line L1, L5 are selected, and cross entities like L2, C4 and L4 also selected. Now we will see how exactly it is going to work in case AutoCAD. So I am going to click the point here and then move the cursor. So you can observe there is a rectangle and inside area is in green color, whereas the outside lines are dashed in nature. I am going to click here. So you can observe I am crossing line L2, circle C4 and then line L4. Circle C1, C2, C3 are enclosed within the rectangle. Lines L1 and L5 are enclosed within the rectangle. I am going to click here. You can see all entities which are within the rectangle and those entities which are crossed by the rectangle are selected. You can observe here circle C1, C2, C3, C4, lines L1, L2, L5 and L4 are selected. So L3 was outside, so it is not selected. So thank you friends, subscribe to the video and keep watching.